Confession time. I had no idea where to go to file a process the first time I entered court. I was walking around aimlessly with my paper with no direction whatsoever. If this sounds like you, then relax. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to file a process in court like a pro. Hello everyone, I'm Lawyer B, and on this channel I share practical ways of navigating the legal profession. Everything that is obtainable in practice is what you'll find here. So if you are a law student or a bar aspirant and a new week, this is definitely a place that you want to be. Hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos like this. Now, the first step in filing a court process is to find the right court registry to go to. In every court building, there is the Magistrate Court Registry and the High Court Registry. So what you need to do to know the right court registry to go to is to quickly bring out one of the court process. As a new week, you check the heading. If you see an High Court there, then you know that you are going to an High Court. If it's a Magistrate Court that is on the heading of your process, then you know that you are going to a Magistrate Court. So how do you know the registry? You ask around, you ask the court staff or anyone in the court premise. Step 2 is to prepare your documents thoroughly before you leave your house or office. Make sure they are well signed and dated. Also, make sure to take along with you enough copies. You must take at least 3 copies with you when you are going to the court registry to file. 1 copy for you, 1 for the other party, and 1 for the court. Also note that if you are filing an affidavit, then you need to take the deponent along with you. Some registrars may demand that they see the deponent before affixing their stamp on your process. That is why it is important to always bring them along. So once you get to the registrar's office and give the process to the registrar, he or she would assess them and write the filing fee on the process. If your application is such that needs to be served on the other party, then you need to pay for service fee. That is, if you want the court bailiff to help you serve, you need to pay for service fee, and such will be included in the filing fee. But if you want to serve by yourself, you want to undertake personal service, then all you need to do is to write it on your process that I undertake personal service, and you will not be charged for it. Oftentimes, we mobilize the court bailiff because the jurisdiction of the other party's lawyer is not within your area. The other party's lawyer is outside jurisdiction. That is why we use the court bailiff to help us serve most time. But if they are within your jurisdiction, you can undertake personal service. And if you feel that they are within your jurisdiction, but you still do not want to serve them personally, you can mobilize the court bailiff to help you serve. After leaving the registrar's office, the next stop is the cashier's office, where you'll be asked to pay the filing fee and the service fee. You will then be given a teller receipt as proof of payment. You will now take this proof of payment back to the registrar's office. The registrar would stamp, endorse, and assign a suit number to your matter if it's a fresh case. If it's not a fresh case, then there's no need for that. You will now be redirected to a file room. That is where you will submit the court copy in the court file. Depending on the situation, your matter may be assigned to a court immediately. If that's the case, then you need to note the court, because that is the court you'll be going to on the date fixed for your matter. Now, if you are undertaking a personal service, this phase is totally not necessary. But if you are undertaking a court service, then you need to meet with the court bailiff before you leave the court premises. Yes, I know you already paid for service fee while at the cashier's office, but what is obtainable in practice is that you still need to pay the bailiff to mobilize them. They will tell you the logistic fee and you give it to them, and then hand over the other party's copy to them. They will help you serve the other party's copy on them. So you will now collect the bailiff's number to keep you updated of the progress of the service. Once the bailiff gets to the other party's town or jurisdiction whatsoever, they would serve the process on them and they will give them feedback. The feedback will be proof of service. The bailiff will take it to the courts and put the court registrar will put it in your court's file. That is the proof of service that has to be there. But if you are undertaking personal service, then you need to go and serve the other party yourself and make them to acknowledge that you have served them. You now put the proof of service. You go back to the court to put the proof of service in the court file. Also, before you leave the court premises, do not forget to take along with you your own copy, your own already stamped and endorsed copy, because that is the copy you'll be taking to court on the day fixed for your matter. Usually few days after filing your process, the court registrar will call you to tell you the date that has been fixed for your matter. And on that date, you or anyone assigned in your law firm must attend the court proceedings. I hope you found this video helpful. Like this video and comment on other areas of law you would want me to make a video on. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.